Hello, Don. Today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to an Excel file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. To put your PDF file into Nitro Pro PDF Editor, now select this convert option. That will work. And here you will find this to Excel option. Click on Excel dialog box. Convert dialog box now open. Here you can add multiple files or you can only select this current file. I save now this current file and output pivot. You can select multiple sheet or single sheet and save folder original or you go to another folder. Now select convert and it's optional. And you can save this format with all of this and everything and series. Amount sheet or single. Okay. Now select convert. That's my converting. And since I took your files to Excel file, now convert. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, or copy.